Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that a technology demonstrator called Stealth Wing Flying Testbed, which is also known as SWIFT, is being developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency and Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur in order to develop the technologies required for the final Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle. This is something which we all know. In this video, I will be providing an update on the latest happenings relevant to this particular SWIFT. Before getting into the latest update, first let me give you more details about this flying test bed. The technology demonstrator SWIFT is powered by a Russian NPO Saturn 36MT turbofan engine, and this engine in future will be replaced by an indigenous engine which is the GTRE's small turbofan engine. I have already uploaded a video in my channel to provide more updates on this small turbofan engine, which you can view using the link provided in the top right I button or in the details section of this particular video. Even then, let me give a quick update. The Gas Turbine Research Establishment is a lab under the Defense Research and Development Organization which is developing a new thrust turbofan engine to power the Nirbhay cruise missile and future unmanned aerial vehicle. These GTRE developed small turbofan engines are a crucial step in achieving self-sufficiency in cruise missile technology, and even these engines are used to power the Nirbhay long-range land attack cruise missile, for which I have already uploaded a separate video. Now coming back to the latest update on the SWIFT technology demonstrator, as per the defense sources, the ground level trials on the first assembled prototype of SWIFT has been planned, and this involves a series of low, medium and high speed taxiing testing to discover its performance and instrumentation from a ground control station. These information will be very vital to decide on the first flight dates for the prototype of SWIFT, which has been planned for 2021 end. Not only that, this technology demonstrator will also be used to collect data on the flying wing control, the autonomous takeoff and landing technology. Even the testing of the retractable landing gear system, the flying wing design, and low radar signature data of the aircraft will also be monitored. India's Defense Research and Development Organization has delivered the retractable landing gear system for SWIFT, and it was handed over during a ceremony at DRDO's laboratory, which is Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment in Chennai. So that was a quick update on the Stealth Wing Flying Test Bed, which is SWIFT technology demonstrator, and where we stand with the progress in it. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.